Today we are going to learn CBSE 10 Mathematics Chapter 6 Triangles Exercise 6.4. Question 1. Let triangle ABC is similar with triangle DEF and their areas be respectively 64 cm square and 121 cm square. If EF is equal to 15.4 cm, then find BC. So let's go to the solution. It is given that triangle ABC is similar with triangle DEF. So we can write area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle DEF is equal to AB upon DE the whole square is equal to BC upon EF the whole square is equal to AC upon DF the whole square using theorem of areas of similar triangles. Then it is given that EF is 15.4 cm, area of triangle ABC is 64 cm square, area of triangle DEF is 121 cm square. So we'll put these values in area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle DEF is equal to BC upon EF the whole square. So after putting the values, we will get 64 upon 121 is equal to BC square upon 15.4 square. So after taking the square root in the next step, we will get BC upon 15.4 is equal to 8 upon 11. Then using transposition, we can write BC is equal to 8 into 15.4 upon 11, which is equal to 8 into 1.4 is equal to 11.2 centimeter. So this is your final answer. Question 2. Diagonals of a trapezium ABCD with AB parallel to DC intersect each other at the point O. If AB is equal to 2CD, then find the ratio of the areas of triangles AOB and COD. Now our diagram will be on the right side and solution will be on the left side. So please focus. It is given that ABCD is trapezium, AB parallel to DC and AB is equal to 2CD. We have to find ratio of the areas of triangles AOB and COD. So let's start. Now it is given that AB parallel to CD. Okay, AB and CD are parallel. So we can write angle OAB is equal to angle OCD. Check in the diagram, angle OAB and angle OCD are equal because of alternate opposite angles. Also angle OBA and angle ODC, angle OBA and angle ODC, they are also equal because of alternate opposite angles. So let's move ahead. In triangle AOB and triangle COD, triangle AOB and triangle COD, angle AOB is equal to angle COD, vertically opposite angle, and from this equation we can write angle OAB equal to angle OCD and angle OBA equal to angle ODC because of alternate opposite angles. Therefore we can say that triangle AOB and triangle COD are similar because of AAA similarity test. Since triangles are similar, we can write area of triangle AOB upon area of triangle COD is equal to AB upon CD the whole square. Now it is given that AB is equal to 2CD. So we will replace AB by 2CD. So we will get area of triangle AOB upon area of triangle COD is equal to 2CD upon CD the whole square. This CD will be cut and 2 square upon 1 will remain, that is equal to 4 upon 1. Therefore we can write area of triangle AOB upon area of triangle COD is equal to 4:1. So this is the final answer. Question 3. In the following figure, ABC and DBC are two triangles on the same base BC. If AD intersect BC at O, then show that area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle DBC is equal to AO upon DO. So diagram will be on the right side and solution will be on the left side. So please focus. It is given that ABC and DBC are two triangles. They are on the same base BC. Okay. So this is your same base BC. And AD intersect BC at O. Then you have to show that area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle DBC is equal to AO upon DO. So let's start. So construction is, we have to draw perpendiculars AP and DM on line BC like this. AP perpendicular to BC and DM perpendicular to BC. Okay. So let's go ahead. Now we know that area of triangle is equal to half into base into height. Okay. So check in the diagram, area of triangle ABC, area of triangle ABC. So your height is AP and base is BC. So we can write area of triangle ABC is equal to half into BC into AP. And for triangle DBC, BC is base and DM is height. So we can write area of triangle DBC is equal to half into BC into DM. So this half cut and BC will cut. So it will remain area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle DBC is equal to AP upon DM. Okay. Now let's go ahead. In triangle APO and triangle DMO. Triangle APO means this small triangle and triangle DMO means this small triangle. Okay. So angle APO is equal to angle DMO, each 90 degree. Then angle AOP equal to angle DOM, vertically opposite angles. Okay. Therefore triangle APO similar with triangle DMO using AA test of similarity. Therefore you can write AP upon DM is equal to AO upon DM, and in bracket you have to write sides of the similar triangles are in the same proportion. Therefore you can write area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle DBC is equal to AO upon DO. That is, you have to give this equation 1 and this equation is 2. So from 1 and 2 you can write area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle DBC is equal to AO upon DO. So this is your final answer. Question 4. If the areas of two similar triangles are equal, then we have to prove that they are congruent. Okay. So let's start with the solution. Let us assume two similar triangles are triangle ABC and triangle PQR. So triangle ABC is similar with triangle PQR. Therefore we can write area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR is equal to AB upon PQ the whole square, BC upon QR the whole square is equal to AC upon PR the whole square. That is equation 1, and this is because of theorem of areas of similar triangles. Now it is given that area of triangle ABC is equal to area of triangle PQR. Therefore ratio of these areas will be 1. Therefore we can write area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR is equal to 1. Now putting this value in equation 1, so we will get 1 is equal to AB upon PQ the whole square is equal to BC upon QR the whole square is equal to AC upon PR the whole square. That is, if you take the square root on both sides, then you will get 1 is equal to AB upon PQ is equal to BC upon QR is equal to AC upon PR. Therefore we can write AB is equal to PQ, BC is equal to QR and AC is equal to PR. It means all three sides of both triangles are equal. Therefore by SSS test these two triangles are congruent. Therefore triangle ABC is congruent with triangle PQR. Hence proved. Question 5. D, E and F are respectively the midpoints of side AB, BC and CA of triangle ABC. Find the ratio of the area of triangle DEF with the triangle ABC. Okay. So our solution will be on the right side and diagram will be on the left side. So please focus and we'll start with the solution now. Now it is given that D, E, F are midpoints of the respective sides. Therefore AD equal to DB, BE equal to EC and AF equal to FC. Okay, so let's go ahead. We are considering D and E are midpoints of AB and BC. Therefore we can write DE parallel to AC and DE is equal to half of AC in bracket midpoint theorem. We have learned this theorem in 9th standard. Okay. Now in triangle BED and BCA, triangle BED means this triangle and triangle BCA means full triangle. Okay. So please check angle BED means this angle and angle BCA means this angle are corresponding angles. Then angle BDE means this angle and angle BAC means this angle. They are also corresponding angles, and angle EBD is equal to angle CBA. Angle EBD is equal to angle CBA, common angle. So from AAA similarity test we can say that triangle BED is similar with triangle BCA. Therefore we can write area of triangle BED upon area of triangle BCA is equal to DE upon AC the whole square. Now DE upon AC is nothing but 1 upon 2. From this it means you can write it is equal to 1 upon 2 the whole square. That is, we will get area of triangle BED upon area of triangle BCA is equal to 1 upon 4, and in the next step you can write area of triangle BED is equal to 1 upon 4 into area of triangle BCA. So similarly we can write for area of triangle CFE, that is this triangle, is equal to 1 upon 4 area of triangle CBA, and area of triangle ADF is equal to 1 upon 4 into area of triangle ABC. Now please check in the diagram. Area of triangle DEF is nothing but area of full triangle ABC minus area of triangle BED plus area of triangle CFE and area of triangle ADF. Okay, again area of triangle DEF is equal to full triangle ABC minus addition of the remaining triangles. Okay, so let's see. Therefore in this step we will get area of triangle DEF is equal to area of triangle ABC minus 3 upon 4 into area of triangle ABC. Please focus here. So if we consider this is equation 1 and this is equation 2, then from 1 and 2 we can write area of triangle BED plus area of triangle CFE plus area of triangle ADF is equal to 3 upon 4 area of triangle ABC. Okay, so area of triangle ABC minus 3 upon 4 area of triangle ABC, we will get 1 upon 4 area of triangle ABC, because 1 minus 3 upon 4 you have to take LCM, so you will get in the next step 4 upon 3 minus 4, so 1 upon 4. Okay, therefore we have got 1 upon 4 into area of triangle ABC. If you transpose area of triangle ABC on the LHS, then you will get area of triangle DEF upon area of triangle ABC is equal to 1 upon 4. So this is the final solution. Question 6. Prove that the ratio of the areas of two similar triangles is equal to their square of the ratio of the corresponding medians. In this case solution will be on the right side and diagram will be on the left side. Okay, it is given that two triangles are similar. We have to prove that ratio of the areas of the two triangles is equal to the ratio of the square of the corresponding medians. So let's start with the solution. Let us assume that triangle ABC and triangle PQR are similar triangles. Please see in the diagram. And AD and PS are the medians of the respective triangles. Okay, so let's start. Since triangle ABC is similar with triangle PQR, we can write AB upon PQ is equal to BC upon QR is equal to AC upon PR, because sides of the similar triangles are in the same proportion. It is equation 1. Also we can write angle A is equal to angle P, angle B equal to angle Q, and angle C is equal to angle R, because angles of the similar triangles are equal. This is equation 2. Consider AD and PS. Okay, AD and PS are the medians of the triangle. It means BD is equal to DC and QS is equal to SR. So we can write BD is equal to DC is equal to BC upon 2 and QS is equal to SR is equal to QR upon 2. If we put this value in equation 1, we can write AB upon PQ is equal to BD upon QS is equal to AC upon PR. Means in place of BC upon QR, we can write BD upon QS. Let's go ahead. Consider this as equation 3. Now check in triangle ABD and triangle QPS. This triangle and this triangle. Angle B is equal to angle Q, because original triangles triangle ABC and triangle PQR are similar, therefore respective angles are equal. That is from equation 2. And also from equation 3, AB upon PQ is equal to BD upon QS. That is, by SAA similarity test, we can say that triangle ABD is similar with triangle PQS. Therefore, we can say that AB upon PQ is equal to BD upon QS is equal to AD upon PS. That is equation 4. Now we know that triangle ABC and triangle PQR are similar triangles. Therefore, we can write area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR is equal to AB upon PQ the whole square is equal to BC upon QR the whole square is equal to AC upon PR the whole square, because theorem of the areas of the similar triangles. So from equation 1 and 4 we can write AB upon PQ is equal to BC upon QR is equal to AC upon PR is equal to AD upon PS, and therefore we can write from this equation and from this equation we can write area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR is equal to AD upon PS the whole square. This is required proof. Question 7. Prove that the area of an equilateral triangle described on one side of a square is equal to half of the area of the equilateral triangle described on one of its diagonals. So पहले क्वेश्चन समझो क्या दिया है. Area of an equilateral triangle described on one side of a square. So consider ABCD is square. Okay, ABCD is square. ABCD का AB इज एक साइड है एंड BD एक डायगोनल है. ओके, तो साइड को कंसिडर करके एक इक्विलेटरल ट्रायंगल बनाया है विच इज ABE एंड डायगोनल को कंसिडर करके एक दूसरा इक्विलेटरल ट्रायंगल बनाया है विच इज DBF. ओके, तो प्रूव ये करना है कि एरिया ऑफ दिस ट्रायंगल upon area of this triangle is equal to 1/2. Please see the statement again. The area of an equilateral triangle described on one side of square is equal to half the area of the equilateral triangle described on one side of its diagonal. So let's start with the solution. Solution will be on the right side and diagram will be on the left side. So please focus. Consider साइड ऑफ द स्क्वायर इज ए, दैट इज AB इज इक्वल टू A. अगर AB A है तो ट्रायंगल AEB का हर एक साइड A होगा, इक्विलेटरल ट्रायंगल. एंड अगर स्क्वायर का साइड A है तो उसका डायगोनल का जो मेजर आएगा दैट इज BD का मेजर वो आएगा √2 इंटू A. ओके, सो लेंथ ऑफ साइड ऑफ स्क्वायर इज A एंड लेंथ ऑफ डायगोनल इज √2A. साइड से जो ट्रायंगल बनेगा उसका हर एक का मेजर होगा AAA एंड डायगोनल से जो ट्रायंगल बनेगा इक्विलेटरल ट्रायंगल उसका हर एक का मेजर होगा √2A. Also angles of the equilateral triangle is 60 degree. Okay, so if you consider triangle ABE and triangle DBF both are equilateral, it means angles of both the triangles are 60 degree each. Therefore you can say that by AAA test both triangles are similar, that is triangle AEB is similar to triangle DBF. Okay, so let's see in the solution क्या लिखा है एक बार देखिए. Two desired equilateral triangles are formed as triangle ABE and triangle DBF. Side of an equilateral triangle ABE on one side is A and side of an equilateral triangle DBF described on its diagonal is √2A. Also the angles of each triangle is 60 degree. Therefore by AA test of similarity both triangles are equal. Since triangle ABE and triangle DBF are similar, we can write using theorem of areas of similar triangles. We can write area of triangle ABE upon area of triangle DBF is equal to A upon √2A square. Okay, so after this we'll get A square upon 2 into A square. So A square will cut and it will remain 1/2. Therefore we can say that area of triangle ABE upon area of triangle DBF is equal to 1/2, which is required proof. Question 8. ABC and BDE are two equilateral triangles such that D is the midpoint of BC. So ratio of the area of triangles ABC and BDE is option A 2:1, option B 1:2, option C 4:1 and option D 1:4. So we have to select the option. Logical question है, बहुत ही easy है, please focus. Now see in the diagram is on the right side. ABC and BDE are equilateral triangles, means each angle of this triangle is 60 degree. So using AAA test these two triangles are similar. Okay, the given part that is D is midpoint of BC. So D is midpoint means BD is equal to BC. BC is X. Okay, therefore BD is X upon 2. Okay, now since these two triangles are similar, we can use theorem of areas of similar triangles and therefore we can write area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle BDE is equal to BC square upon BD square or BC upon BD the whole square. Okay, so BC is X and BD is X upon 2. So in bracket the calculation will be next step of this x into 2 upon x the whole square, that is multiplicative inverse, then x and x will cut and in the bracket it will remain 2 square, so or 2 upon 1 square. So in the next step we can write 2 upon 1 square is equal to 4 upon 1. Therefore we got the answer, area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle BDE is equal to 4 upon 1, that is option C. Okay, so this is your final answer. Question 9. Sides of two similar triangles are in the ratio 4:9. Then area of these triangles are in the ratio option A 2:3, option B 4:9, option C 81:16 and option D 16:81. So in this case we will apply theorem of areas of similar triangle. So what is given? Given part is sides of two similar triangles are in the ratio 4:9. So as per the theorem of areas of similar triangles, we know that ratio of the areas of two triangles, that is area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR, will be equal to ratio of the squares of the respective sides. Okay, so sides का रेशियो है 4:9. इट मीन्स आपका एरिया जो आएगा उसका रेशियो स्क्वेयर्स में आएगा, तो 4 का स्क्वायर 16, 9 का स्क्वायर 81. देयरफॉर करेक्ट ऑप्शन विल बी डी, दैट इज डी इज इक्वल टू 16:81. सो दिस इज योर फाइनल आंसर.